Are you currently having problems with not being able to select more than 10 photos on Instagram and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step solution to this problem. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your Instagram app and then come to your profile right here. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, just scroll down until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now click on report a problem in here. And then once again, click on report a problem. Click on include and continue in here. And now you need to write exactly like this to the Instagram support to be able to actually fix this issue. So you need to write like this. I am having issues with not being able to select more than 10 photos. I need this to be fixed. So just write like this to the support. I'm having issues with not being able to select more than 10 photos. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. Now what you're going to do after this, you're going to go back into your profile right here, and unfortunately you will need to probably wait 1 to 2 business days for this to actually work. So 24 to 48 hours, just wait for it and then come back into your account. Once again, try to post, select more than 10 photos, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.